What's good with chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 24. Today's video is going to be an exciting video because if you guys stayed with me, if you're like a real OG of my channel, you know I started with the shoe videos. So today we are going to be doing a custom pair of Air Force 1s. I have a lightly used pair here that I'm going to be working on here today, and we're going to do like a Christmas plaid theme. Let's get straight into it. I haven't did one of these shoe videos in a while, it feels like, but all I'm going to start is by taking off or removing these laces. We are going to be adding some rope laces in here and then adding some fabric on the side of the shoe. We're also going to do the Sherpa liner for my very first time. Once I get these shoelaces removed, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the entire shoe with acetone. I am going to be airbrushing and laying fabric on every single part of this shoe, so I am going to want to make sure I go around the shoe very good. And I'm not going to lie, when you guys are doing this step, you probably would want to wear gloves and a mask if you have it. All right, yeah, so I prepped the entire shoe, putting some acetone on it. Now I usually would go in with a tape job before I start airbrushing. So I'm gonna airbrush some panels red, and then the other panels that I don't airbrush red are going to be covered with fabric, so I'm not gonna waste my time and tape up the shoe today. What I am gonna do before I start airbrushing is drill out my holes for my rope laces. So since I am adding rope laces, I'm gonna have to use my drill where I can add in these thick rope laces. When you drill it out, there's gonna be like the inside of the shoe, kind of the leather, that's gonna show like the white or like a grayish white, and I don't want that to show after I airbrush. I'm gonna drill out the holes first and then airbrush. I feel like I just explained that way too long, but let's do it. All right, y'all, so we are ready to airbrush. I got this cleaned and it is ready to go. All I'm gonna do is add in some red acrylic paint as well as mix it with some 2-thin, and we're gonna start our layers. All right, y'all, and this is what the shoe is looking like. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this and just add some rope laces. I'm just joking. Let's finish airbrushing. We got the bottoms all painted. We got the red all painted. Now it's time to add the fabric. To add the fabric, I'm just going to place some tape kind of over the panels that I want the fabric to be on. We're gonna outline it, put our pattern onto the fabric, and cut it out and glue it onto the shoe. Yeah, so I got all the tape on. Now I'm just going to take my fabric on the shoe. You're just going to take off your stencil very carefully if you're using multiple pieces of tape because you don't want it to come apart. And you are just going to lay it on the fabric. Now, if you were using fabric that had like a certain design, you'd want to lay your tape wherever you want design to fit on your shoe. In my case, I just have a full pattern, so I am not going to be picky and lay that out. We're going to lay all the panels out, and then we will cut very carefully with scissors. Alright, y'all, so we got all of our fabric pieces cut out. Now all we're gonna do is glue these onto those panels. Yeah, we are gonna clean up these fringes. Fabric to completely dry before we kind of fix those up. These are coming out fire though. All right, let's do the other panels. Now we wait for the fabric to dry a little bit more before we clean these fringes up. We're gonna go ahead and do the second shoe. All right, y'all, so I got the fabric all on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the liner, and I really don't know what I'm gonna do for this quite yet. I don't really have a method, but I think my method is actually just going to kind of lay it in the shoe like that and cut the fabric out, and then we'll work on the access fabric. This is gonna look so cool. All right, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a couple of days. I wanted to make sure the glue was very, very dry. So now all I'm gonna do is just go in with my scissors and cut off the access fabric. And then we're gonna add our rope laces, and then we'll have the final product. I also am going to add some bottom protectors, but I won't just for the sake of the video. However, these are coming out super, super cute. So let me just go ahead and cut off this, add the laces, and then we'll have our final product. All right, yeah, and just like that, we have the finished product. We have the shoe with the Sherpa liner, blue bottoms. These came out so, so good. If you guys liked, make sure to smash that like button. Let me know how I did below. As always, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. This shit that you just put out, you could've kept.